Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a two-part series. One's going to be unboxing and the next part is going to be setting up the mill. This is a Goldwell 700 gram mill. So I couldn't afford an expensive flour mill and I want to make my own bread. My husband eats a lot of bread and we all know bread from the store is not good for you. We eat very healthy. That's the only thing left in his diet. I don't eat bread. So I want to do my own flour. So I reached out to the company. They said this size would be the one that works. All right, let's get to the unboxing. As you can see, I have not opened this. So we're doing this right from the beginning. I'll put this in the link down below in my description. That's good. A little bit of very, very good packing. A little bit of cracking, but look how thick the styrofoam is. There it is. Looks good. See if there's anything else in the box. Oh, there's some foam. Oh, yeah. Bunch of goodies. All right, let me clean this up and we'll get a better shot of this. All right, this is what we got. We got the GOLDENWALL electric grain mill book. Packaging is nice and protected. Troubleshooting. This is service card, so for your warranty. Let's see what we got in here. Got a couple of bags. And that one's the cord. And this one has this tool. Cleaning brush. You don't want to use water in this to clean it. You only want to use a dry brush. Couple extra blades. Ooh, they're sharp. More blades and for replacements. All right, let's see what she looks like out of the bag. Alright, that's pretty nice. So these are locking tabs to the top. Yeah, she looks fantastic. Alright everybody, that's the unboxing of the Goldwell 700 gram grain mill. Stick around, we're going to put some grain in here and see if we can turn it into flour. You guys have a blessed day. Stay tuned.